Hello dear students, all of you welcome to Vidyani classes. Today we will start matrices. Now we will discuss definition of a matrix, order of a matrix and a general form of a matrix. First definition of a matrix. An ordered rectangular array of numbers that is real or complex or functions. An ordered rectangular array of numbers means real or complex, or functions in a closed or opened bracket is called a matrix. Is called a matrix. An ordered rectangular array of numbers, that means real or complex numbers or functions in a closed or opened bracket is called a matrix. The numbers or functions are called elements or entries of the matrix. The numbers or functions are called elements or entries of the matrix. All matrices are denoted by capital letters, that is A, B, C, etc. What is the definition? An ordered rectangular array of numbers. An ordered rectangular. Ordered means order pair or coordinate points. A rectangular array. Arrangement of the real numbers or complex numbers in the order pair in the form of a rectangular. In the form of a rectangular. It is a rectangle. There exist two horizontal lines and two vertical lines. Forms a rectangle. It is the rectangle. Two horizontal lines and two vertical lines forms the rectangle. The horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical line is called the column. It is the rectangle. There exist two horizontal lines. The horizontal lines are called the rows and the vertical line is called the column. It is the rectangle. An ordered rectangular array means arrangement. Rectangular arrangement. Order means order pair or coordinate points of numbers, that is real or complex, or functions in a closed bracket. The arrangement of the real or complex numbers in the order pair in the form of rows and columns, that is in the rectangular form. The arrangement of the real or complex numbers or functions in rows and columns in a closed or open bracket. It is the symbol of closed bracket. The left side is closed and the right side is closed. Closed bracket. It is the symbol of open bracket. The definition implies the arrangement of real or complex numbers or functions in rows and columns in a closed bracket or open bracket is called a matrix. An ordered means order pair, coordinate point. Rectangular array means arrangement of the real or complex numbers in the order pair in the form of rectangle, that means arrangement of the real or complex numbers in rows and columns in a closed bracket or open bracket is called a matrix. Clear? The arrangement of the real or complex numbers in the order pair in the form of rectangle, that means the arrangement of the real or complex numbers in rows and columns in a closed bracket. The left side is closed and the right side is closed. The left side is open and the right side is opened. Is called a matrix. The numbers in the order pair or functions are called elements or entries of the matrix. And all matrices are denoted by capital letters. Clear? Clear? Okay. Once again, order means order pair or coordinate point. Rectangular array means arrangement of the numbers or functions in the form of a rectangle. That means arrangement of the real or complex numbers in rows and columns in a closed or opened bracket. It is the symbol of a closed bracket. It is the symbol of a open bracket. Clear? It's called a matrix. The elements, the numbers or functions are called the elements or entries of the matrix. All matrices are denoted by capital letters. Clear? Example. Example 1. Let capital R XY order pair be any point in the plane let R XY order pair be any point in the plane. Implies are close bracket x y or close bracket x y or open bracket x y or open bracket x and y represent the matrix form of R x y. It is the matrix form of the point, any point R x y. Every matrix can be written in the close bracket or in the open bracket. It is the symbol of a close bracket, it is the symbol of a close bracket, it is the symbol of a close bracket, it is the symbol of open bracket, it is the symbol of a open bracket. It has one row and two columns. It has two rows and one column. It has one row and two columns. It has two rows and one column. Clear? The horizontal line is called the row and the vertical line is called the column. The arrangement of the real or complex or functions in the order. In the order means order pair or coordinate points in rows and columns. XY arranged in row and column. It has one row and two columns. It has two rows. It has two rows and one column. All matrices are denoted by capital letters. Here are the matrix form of RXY order pair. The definition implies an ordered rectangular array of. Array means arrangement. The real or complex or functions which are arranged in the form of a rectangle. That means arrangement of the elements in the order pair in rows and columns is called a matrix. The elements are called the numbers or functions are called the elements of the matrix or entries of the matrix, and matrices are denoted by capital letters. These are the matrix form of RXY. Example 2. Let capital A 1, 2, minus 3 be a fixed point in space. Implies A 1, 2, minus 3 or close bracket 1, 2, minus 3 or open bracket 1, 2, minus 3 or open bracket 1, 2, minus 3 represent the matrix form of matrix form of the point capital A 1, 2, -3 order pair. These are the matrix form of the point in space. These are the matrix form of the point A 1, 2, -3 order pair. It is the close bracket symbol, it is the close bracket symbol, it is the open bracket symbol, it is the open bracket symbol. It has one row and 3 columns. It has 3 rows and 1 column. Clear? An ordered rectangular array of numbers that is real or complex or functions in a closed or open bracket is called a matrix. Clear? Okay. Next, example 3. Let A 1, 0 order pair, B 3, 4 order pair, C 2, 5 order pair, and D -1, 1 order pair be the vertices of the quadrilateral ABCD. Write the matrix form of the vertices of the quadrilateral ABCD. What is the matrix form of the quadrilateral ABCD? Implies X is equal to A, B, C, D. It is the close bracket symbol. A has 1, 0, 1, 0. B has 3, 4. C has 2, 5. And D has -1, 1. It is the matrix form of the quadrilateral ABCD. Or ABCD close bracket A 1, 0, B 3, 4, C 2, 5, and D -1, 1 is the matrix form of the quadrilateral ABCD. Clear? These are the vertices A, B, C, D are the vertices of the quadrilateral ABCD. X is the matrix form of the quadrilateral ABCD. A has coordinates that is 1, 0 order pair which is written as 1, 0, B 3, 4, C 2, 5, D -1, 1, or we can write ABCD. A has 1, 0, 1, 0, B has 3, 4, C has 2, 5, D has -1, 1. This and this are the matrix form of the quadrilateral ABCD. We can also write in the symbol of a open bracket. The close bracket is replaced by open bracket. Clear? Clear? Okay, note down. Order of a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m cross n or m cross n matrix or m by n matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m cross n or m cross n matrix or m by n matrix. Example: capital A is a matrix having elements 1, 2, minus 1. It has one row and 3 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3, and it is the row. It is the column. The vertical line is called the column, the horizontal line is called the row. So it has one row and 3 columns. Implies order of the matrix capital A is 1 cross 3. Next example: B close bracket 5. It has one row and one column. Implies its order is 1 cross 1. Order of the matrix capital B is 1 cross 1. Example 3: capital C is a matrix close bracket half 3 2 minus 1 0 root 2. It has 2 rows, row 1, row 2, and 3 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3. So its order is 2 cross 3. Implies order of capital C is a matrix is 2 cross 3. Clear? D is a matrix having elements 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 cross 3. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. Implies order of the matrix D is 3 cross 3. It has 3 rows and 3 columns, so order of the matrix capital D is 3 cross 3. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m cross n or m cross n matrix or m by n matrix. Next, general form of a matrix. Let capital A is a matrix having m rows and n columns. Capital A is a matrix having m rows and n columns. Close bracket Aij. It has m rows and n columns, or open bracket Aij m cross n. A matrix can be represented in two forms: square bracket or close bracket Aij m cross n, simple bracket or open bracket Aij m cross n. It has m rows and n columns. Is called the general form of the matrix capital A. This form is called the general form of the matrix, or its extended form. It has m rows and n columns. A11, A12, A13 dotted A1j dotted A1n, A21, A22, A23 dotted A2j dotted A2n. I1, I2, I3, A dotted Aij dotted Ain. M1, M2, M3 dotted MJ dotted MN. Capital A, close bracket A11, A12, A13, A1j, A1n. These are the elements of first row. These are the elements of mth row. These are the elements of first column. It is the elements of a second column, and it is the element of nth column. It has m rows and n columns. It is the short form of the matrix or general form. Close bracket Aij m cross n. It is the extended form of the matrix Aij m cross n. AI1, AI2, AI3, AI dotted, Aij dotted, AIN are the elements of the ith row. I1, I1, I2, I3 dotted, Aij dotted, AIN are called elements of ith row. These are the elements of ith row. Similarly, these are the elements of jth column. A1j, A2j, A3j dotted, Aij dotted, AMJ are the elements of jth column. A1j, A2j dotted, Aij dotted, AMJ are the elements of jth column. It is the common element of ith row and jth column. It is the common element of ith row and jth column. Implies Aij is called the element of ith row and jth column. Aij is the element of ith row and jth column. It is the general form of the matrix where Aij is the element of ith row and jth column. Order m cross n represent the order of the matrix. The first row contains n elements, second row contains elements, each row contains n elements, and each column contains n elements. So the number of elements of the matrix of order m cross n is mn. I varies 1 to m and j varies from 1 to n. Aij is the element of ith row and jth column. I varies 1, 2, 3 dotted m. I greater than equal to 1 less than equal to m. J varies 1, 2, 3 dotted j to n. Greater than equal to 1 less than equal to n. I and j are the natural numbers. I, j belongs to set of natural numbers. Clear? From this figure, it is clear that Aij is the common element of ith row and jth column. Aij is called the element of ith row and jth column, where I varies 1 to m and j varies 1 to n. Clear? Okay. A is a matrix of order m cross n. Each row contains n elements and each column contains m elements. So the number of elements of the matrix capital A having order m cross n is the number of elements of the matrix capital A with order m cross n, the number of elements or entries, the number of elements or entries of the matrix capital A having order m cross n is mn. For example, capital A is a matrix having elements -1, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 0, 2, -5, 3, 1, √2, I means iota, 4, √3. I means, which is read as iota, is an imaginary number which is equal to square root of -1. It has 3 rows and 4 columns. It has 3 rows and 4 columns. So the order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. The number of elements, each row contains 4 elements, each column contains 3 elements. Number of entries implies is number of entries or elements is 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. Entries or elements. Clear? Okay. Note down. NCERT exercise 3.1, page number 64. Question number 1. In the matrix capital A, write the order of the matrix, number of elements, write the elements A13, A21 and so on. Matrix A has 3 rows and 4 columns. So the order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. Since the matrix has 3 rows and 4 columns, the number of elements, that is 3 into 4, that is 12. Write the elements A13. A13 means element of first row and third column. First row, third column. It is the common element, that is equal to 19. A21 is the element of second row and first column, that is 35. A33 is the element of third row and third column, third row and third column, that is -5. A24 element of second row and fourth column, second row, fourth column, that is 12. A23 element of second row and third column, that is 5/2. Clear? Okay. In question number 3, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? Case 2, what if it has 5 elements? 18 can be written as 18 is same as 1 into 18, which is same as 18 into 1, which is same as 2 into 9, which is same as 9 into 2, which is same as 3 into 6, which is same as 6 into 3. A matrix has 18 elements. What are the possible orders it can have? So the possible orders. So the possible orders are 1 cross 18, 18 cross 1, 2 cross 9, 9 cross 2, 3 cross 6 and 6 cross 3. There are 6 possible orders. So the possible orders are these. It is case 1. It is case 1. Case 2. 5 can, the matrix contains 5 elements. 5 can be written as 1 into 5, which is same as 5 into 1. So the possible orders are 1 cross 5 and 5 cross 1. So there are 2 possible orders, 1 cross 5 or 5 cross 1. Question number 5. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij, half of modulus of minus 3i plus j. Let capital A be the matrix whose elements are Aij of order 3 cross 4, which is same as A11, A12. It has 3 rows. A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. A14. It has 3 rows and 4 columns. A14, A24, A34. 3 rows and 4 columns. Construct a matrix of 3 rows and 4 columns. A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A34. A11, Aij, I takes value 1 and j takes value 1, that is equal to half of -3 plus 1, that is -2. A11, I is equal to 1, -3 plus 1, that is equal to -2. Its modulus is 2 into half, that is equal to 1. Clear? A is equal to, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, -3 plus 1, that is equal to -2. Its modulus is 2 into half. It gives 1. -3, 2. -3 plus 2, that is equal to -1. Its modulus is 1 into half, which is equal to half. A13, -3 plus 3, that is equal to 0 into half, that is equal to 0. -3 plus 4, that is equal to 1 into half, that is equal to half. Clear? A14, -3 plus 4, that is equal to 1 into half, half. -6 plus 1, I is equal to 2, -6 plus 1, that is equal to 5 by 2. -6 plus 2, that is equal to 4 into half, that is equal to 2. -6 3 plus 3, that is equal to 3 by 2. -6 plus 4, that is equal to -2 into half, it gives value 1. -6 plus 4, -6 plus 4, that is equal to -2. Its modulus is 2 into half, that is equal to 1. Clear? Third row, -9 plus 1, -9 plus 1, that is equal to 7. -9 plus 1, that is -8. Its modulus is 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. -9 plus 1, that is equal to -8. Its modulus is 8 into half, that is equal to 4. -9 plus 2, that is 7 by 2. -9 plus 3, -6, its modulus is 6 into half, that is equal to 3. -9 plus 4, that is equal to -5, its modulus is 5 into half, that is equal to 5 by 2. It is a matrix of 3 cross 4. Clear? Easy questions. Note down. Types of matrices. Capital A is a matrix of order m cross n. Aij is the element of ith row and jth column. A is a matrix of order m cross n. A has m rows and n columns. A is said to be rectangular matrices if m not equal to n. That means number of rows is not equal to number of columns. X is a matrix of 1 cross 3. Y is a matrix of 4 cross 2. Here m not equal to n. That means number of rows is not equal to number of columns. So it is a rectangular matrix. Next, square matrix. Capital A, that is matrix A is said to be square if m equal to n. That means number of rows is equal to number of columns. B is a matrix of 2 cross 2. It has 2 rows and 2 columns. C is a matrix of 3 cross 3. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. So B and C are square matrices. 3. Row matrix. Capital A is said to be a row matrix if m is equal to 1. That means matrix having only one row is called the row matrix. R is a matrix of 1 cross 4. It has 1 row and 4 columns. S is a matrix of 1 row and 5 columns. R and S are said to be row matrix since they have only one row. Matrix having only one row is called the row matrix. Next, column matrix. A is said to be a column matrix if n is equal to 1. That means the number of column is 1. Matrix having only one column is called the column matrix. L is a matrix of 2 cross 1. It has 2 rows and 1 column. M is a matrix of 3 rows and 1 column. N is a matrix of 5 rows and 1 column. L, M and N have only one row. So L, M and N are the column matrices. Fifth, zero matrix. A is said to be a zero matrix if A ij, that means element of ith row and jth column, that means any element in matrix A, all are 0 is called the zero matrix for every I and j. A is said to be zero matrix or null matrix if A ij, any element in the matrix is 0 for all I and j. Zero matrix is denoted by capital O. It is a matrix of 1 cross 1. It is a matrix of 2 cross 3. It is a matrix of 3 cross 3. Every element in zero matrix is 0. So these are the zero matrices. Since Aij is equal to 0 for all ij. Next, 6. Diagonal matrix. Capital A is said to be diagonal matrix. Capital A is a diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0, if I not equal to 0. That means all non-diagonal elements Diagonal elements means left top to right bottom is equal to diagonal element. Left top to right bottom is equal to diagonal element. A ij equal to 0 for I not equal to 0. A is said to be a diagonal matrix if M is equal to N. M is equal to N means it is a square matrix. Diagonal matrix is a first condition. It is a square matrix and all non-diagonal elements all are 0. It is 0, 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 it is 0. These elements are the diagonal elements. That means left top to right bottom elements are called diagonal elements. X is a matrix of 1 cross 1, Y is a matrix of 2 cross 2, Z is a matrix of 3 cross 3. All are square matrices whose non-diagonal elements all are 0. These are the non-diagonal elements. 3 minus 2, 8 are the diagonal elements. A ij equal to 0 for I not equal to 0. That means all non-diagonal elements all are 0. M equal to N means it is a square matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix whose non-diagonal elements all are 0. 7. Scalar matrix. A is said to be a scalar matrix if M equal to N. That means scalar matrix is a square matrix since it has the same number of rows and columns. A ij is equal to 0 for I not equal to 0. That means all non-diagonal elements all are 0. Third condition, it is the first condition, it is a square matrix. All non-diagonal elements I not equal to j. That means all non-diagonal elements, diagonal elements are a11, a22, a33, a44, ann are the diagonal elements. These are the diagonal. It is a11, a22, a33. Third condition, aij is equal to 0 for I equal to 0. Aij is equal to k for I equal to j. That means all diagonal elements are constant, where k is a constant. P, Q and R. It is a square matrix. P is a square matrix, Q is a square matrix, R is a square matrix whose non-diagonal elements all are 0. Aij equal to 0, I not equal to 0. That means all non-diagonal elements all are 0. Third condition, aij is equal to k for I equal to j. I equal to j means diagonal elements. A11, A22, A33 all are constant, that is k. Here minus 4, minus 4. A11 is minus 4, A22 is also minus 4. All diagonal elements are constant. R, it is a square, first condition is satisfied, it is a square matrix. All non-diagonal elements are 0. Third condition, A11, A22, A33, that means aij is equal to k for I equal to j. Diagonal elements are constant. Clear? It is a square matrix. All non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are constant. These are the diagonal elements. These are the diagonal. It has only one element. It is considered as the diagonal element, which is a constant. So P, Q and R are the scalar matrices. Scalar matrix is a square matrix, diagonal matrix is a square matrix. Last, unit or identity matrix. A is said to be a unit matrix. First condition, it is a square matrix, that means M is equal to N. All diagonal elements are unit, that means 1, and non-diagonal elements all are 0. In a scalar matrix, if the diagonal element in a scalar matrix, if the diagonal elements all are unit, is called the unit matrix. Unit matrix is a scalar matrix. Since it satisfies all conditions of a scalar matrix. It is a square matrix. That is M equal to N. Aij is equal to 0 for I not equal to 0, that means all non-diagonal elements are 0. I equal to j, that means A11, A22, A33 all are unit. So it is a scalar matrix. If the diagonal elements all are unit, the scalar matrix is called the unit matrix. The unit matrix is denoted by I. I3 means it is a unit matrix of order 3. Order 3 means 3 cross 3. Unit matrix of order n is denoted by IN. Clear? Unit matrix whose diagonal elements, that means left up to right bottom, all are unit. It is a square matrix. Its non-diagonal elements all are 0. Unit matrix is a special type of a scalar matrix whose diagonal elements all are unit. Clear? Clear? Okay. Note down. Next, upper triangular matrix. The matrix capital A is said to be upper triangular matrix if M equal to N. That means A is a square matrix. Aij is equal to 0 if I greater than j. A is said to be upper triangular matrix if M equal to N. That means A is a square matrix. Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than 0. Example, U is a matrix of 3 cross 3. That means U is a square matrix. The first condition is satisfied. It is the element of A11, A12, A13, A21. A21, 2 greater than 1, that means I greater than j, so it is 0. It is A22, A23, A31, 3 greater than 1. That means I greater than 0, so it is 0. It is A32, 3 greater than 2, so it is 0. So U is a upper triangular matrix since U satisfies the two conditions, that is U is a square matrix, Aij equal to 0 for I greater than j. Then lower triangular matrix. Capital A is said to be lower triangular matrix if M equal to N, that means A is a square matrix. Second condition, Aij is equal to 0 if I less than j. Example, B is a matrix of 3 cross 3. That means V is a square matrix. It is the element of A11. It is the element of A12. 1 less than 2. That means I less than J. So it is 0. It is A13. 1 less than 3. So it is 0. It is the element of 2. A2 3. 2 less than J. So it is 0. Which satisfies the condition of lower triangular matrix. So V is a lower triangular matrix. Since it is a square matrix and Aij equal to 0 for I less than j. Clear? Okay. Next, equality of matrices. Definition: two matrices capital Aij, capital B, Bij are said to be equal if first condition they are of same order. Second condition, Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j. Equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of same order. Order of A is equal to order of B. Second condition, Aij is equal to Bij. That means the corresponding elements are same. If these two conditions are satisfied, then the two matrices are equal. Example, find the values of x, y and z so that matrix containing x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z and so that matrices having element x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z and 10, 5, 3 are equal. Find the values of x, y and z so that matrices this and this are equal. It is a matrix of, it has 3 rows and 1 column. The order of this matrix is also 3 cross 1. They are of same order. The first condition is satisfied. Solution. Aij is equal to Bij. A11 is equal to 10, that means x plus y plus z is equal to 10. X plus z is equal to 5. Y plus z is equal to 3. Two matrices are equal if they are of same order and their corresponding elements are same. Implies x plus z is equal to 5, x plus y plus z is equal to 10, implies y is equal to 10 minus 5 equal to 5. X plus y plus z is equal to 10, y plus z is equal to 3, x is equal to 10 minus y plus z, that is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. X plus y plus z is equal to 10, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 7, implies x is equal to 10 minus y, that is minus 5, minus z, x, y is 5, z is equal to 10 minus x, that is minus y minus 5 minus 7. Z is equal to minus x, that is minus 7, and minus 5, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x, y and z. X is equal to 7, y is equal to 5, z is equal to minus 2. X plus y plus z, that is 7 plus 5 minus 2, that is equal to 10. X plus z is equal to 5. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 5. Y plus z, 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So x is equal to 7, y is equal to 5, z is equal to minus 2. Clear? Two matrices are equal if their corresponding elements are equal. They are of same order. This is same as this, this is same as this, this is same as this. It is the matrix of 3 cross 1, it is the matrix of 3 cross 1. Clear? No doubt?